Okay, hi everyone. So here's my setup for focusing my testing a focus test of my diode light laser. So this is a 10 watt plus. I know that the fan is not running, but for this quick test at 2% power, it's okay for a short time. So I have my USB microscope hooked up to my computer. I try to make the best focus I can have with the USB microscope, and on Lightburn I'm set to 2% power. So here we are. So I will try to do a demonstration with one hand. Okay, so one on the I will show you on the computer what happened when I turn the lens. So I just fit, I don't know if it's a G7 or G8 lens, but anyway, so when I screw in the lens, I don't know if you noticed, but the beam don't move. So maybe I have to unscrew the lens, and I screw. Okay, now you begin to see that the focal point, the beam is more precise. Excuse me. I don't calibrate my USB microscope, so I'm not able to tell you the size of the dot. But as you can see, I unscrew, and at a given moment, I'm not able to have anything a better focal point, and I'm near the lens is near completely unscrewed from the laser. So, and I'm not sure if you can hear it, but when I get to the focal point, you hear the I think it's the aluminum plate that I don't know if you come in sync with something, but it you have a little buzz, just a little buzz. So that helped me tell if my focus is good. So don't worry, I wear my glass. I don't know with my phone if you can see thing well, because with my glass it's okay. But and after I got the good excuse me for moving the good focal point, I take my rules. It will help me further setting up the laser, and I simply measure the distance. Oh, sorry, I have some material on my bed. So I set the rule flush, and for this I have 13.5 millimeters, 135 millimeters, sorry, from the aluminum frame. So when I will mount the laser back on my moving axis, I can simply grab my rule and set for this lens, set the distance from my working surface to 135 millimeter, and I think I'm good. So one more thing that I do, I don't have it set up right now, but I have it on my G2. Okay, I 3D print a lens holder that is tightly fit on the lens. So when I turn this, the aluminum portion don't move. So this is when I change the lens, I only have to screw this, sorry, this way on the diode, and I know that I have the good setup. So here I don't have it setting right now, but I think you understand. I simply take first my my aluminum ring that came with the laser. I screw it down to the frame, tight fit. After that, I remove the lens from the body. I measure the distance, and I set my plastic ring at that point, and I simply label it like here G2. So when I have to change the lens, I don't have to do the focal thing, focus thing again. It's a simple matter of screwing the lens back, read my notes to get the good distance, and I'm ready to go. If you have any question. you can ask in the comment below. Thanks.